Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert a PDF to Word for free in 2026. First of all, open your browser and then search for any PDF conversion website such as Adobe Acrobat Online or any other free converter. You will need to open it and then you will need to select and upload your PDF file, and then now after you select your PDF file, now you will need to click on convert. Then you will need to select the PDF to Word option. Then you will need to wait for the conversion process to finish. Once completed, download the Word document to your computer. You will need to review the file to ensure the formatting transferred correctly. And that's it. That's how to convert a PDF to Word for free. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.